Morning or afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. And as you're watching this, I have now started day 2 of my birthday adventure. If you want to see what it is and where I'm going, find me on Strava or Instagram, and you'll see what I'm up to. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of the kit I'm taking with me right now. I've done this kind of stuff before, but I thought because it's the first belt drive adventure, I would celebrate the event which I'm on now with a kit check. Right then, let's get started with the Rookie. No change with the Rookie. It's still my Mountain Warehouse Inca. Is it Inca Extreme 35 litre? Had him for quite a bit now. Really good Rookie. Very happy with it. No changes to this other than the side pockets weren't deep enough, and when I got my water bottle in, if you did any bending or whatever, it sometimes popped out, and it was a real pain in the backside because you had to take the Rookie off, take all your bloody bits and bobs off, and then fit that back in. So what I've done, I've stitched the side pockets to the side of the Rookie and pulled it up so it makes it deeper. And I've also put this little strap on, through one of the pole loops, so I can pull it tight once the bottle's in to stop it from falling out. And in there I've got my 1.2 litre bottle from Decathlon, and then also from the Decathlon you can buy this adapter which turns it into a hydration unit. Comes with the cap, tube, and the drinking end. Now what I've done to this, you get a little breather tube on the top, and what I found was water and whatever was coming out of there and getting all this wet. So all I've done is I've glued a piece of tubing onto there to stop the water coming out. It'll still get the air coming in to allow the water to come out, but you're not going to get it splashing out of there. So yeah, that's a hack I've made, so you're welcome if you want to use that one on anything you've got. I've put the tube running through these little cheapy carabiners just to keep it off my neck, and then I'll secure that round the front. Other than that, no change. Got the piece of plastic inside to hold the battery so that it doesn't cave in on me when I take the battery out. If I take the battery out, hopefully I won't need it. Little light, I think that works, yeah, just in case. Awesome. Turn off your bugger. There we go. Other than that, that's it. I think I said before, you can still buy these, but the material's changed, and you don't get these two side pockets. You get side pockets on these, and you can get bloody loads of stuff in there. But the new ones don't have these, which is a real pain. Because you can never have too much space to pour kit in. Pour kit in, put kit in. And I've also redone the padding, because it's surprising when you wear the Rookie for quite a while over bumpy stuff, it does tend to hurt. So it's good to have some padding. So that is the Rookie. I don't think there's anything there. If you're wondering what the peg is for, it's because I have my GoPro chesty mount on my top, and then I put my jacket on over the top. I can't zip it up, so even though I've got some little Velcro straps to pull it together, I tend to use a peg just to close it at the top to keep the wind out. And that is the Rookie. Moving on to the bike, no major changes. It is as is. There's the comfy padded grips. I've got the inner tube on there with the tube strap, another strap-on. That's 2 strap-ons. It's such a shame, isn't it? Strap-on used to be such a nice saying, but now it's got this these naughty undertones. So that's the inner tube. I've got my belt, my motor protector, my bit of Magic Mary wrapped round. That is like a standard. I'll keep that on all the time. And again, this has got a black strap on for now. So I'll be starting off with a 960 battery. Hopefully I won't have to do a battery change, but if I do, as I've done in my other video, you've got this gap here from the 720, and rather than use my long piece of Magic Mary to cover it, I'm just going to use a short piece. This will be fitted on all the time, so just to protect the base of the battery, and that will cover that little gap there. And again, another black strap-on. Wow, it's going to proper strap-on fest here. Other than that, that's about it. Other than my little light, I just tend to put a little back light on when I do a big ride. And that is the bike. No dramas there, all good. Right, let's move on to the kit. So riding kit, I wear the same kit every day. I'll wear Endura shorts or longies, depending on what the weather is. I've got some Endura padded pants, which just come down halfway down your thigh, keep a bit of comfortness on your bum. Jacket, wear that the same, and the top. I'll always wear the same top, and I'll just dry it in the B&B. The only thing I change are my socks. Take a brand new pair of socks or a fresh pair of socks for every day. Other than that, everything stays the same, because I don't care if I pong a bit, because who's going to pong me out there? And on the train back on a Thursday, I don't particularly care. So the same kit every single day, bar socks. Right then, let's move on to the kit. Footwear. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to use yet. Either my Scott MTB shoes or my Halfords MTB shoes. They're comfy, but these are even comfier. 35 quid, bloody lovely bits of kit. So I'll probably go with those, but I brought them just in case, but I'll probably go with those. So that's the footwear. Helmet, shades and eye protection. I've got a buff if it's cold from my neck, and I've also got one of these, it's like a buff material little hat to put on my head. Depending on the weather, I'll determine whether I take full length gloves and my cut-offs and some thin inners. We'll do a weather check closer to the day. Now for the evening wear, I've got a thin pair of shorts which I roll up, so we'll wear them in the evening. I've got a spare top just in case it gets cold. That's what I wear also in the evening when I go down the pub, as well as my jacket. I've also got unpacking another spare top. It's that thin black caramel one which I talked about on the Snowdonia ride a while ago. A spare pair of regular underpants for the evening to wear with the shorts. I'll wear them, I'm only wearing them for a couple of hours each evening, so I don't need to pack a spare pair every day, so they'll do me as long as I don't wet myself. Socks, I've got a pair of socks on the day, and then 3 pairs of socks to change after each day. And I might take a thin inner pair just in case, I don't know why, but I just might take them. Now, I haven't decided if I'm going to wear shorts or long trousers yet, depending on the weather. I've always worn shorts on all previous adventures, so it's probably going to be shorts again. So if I do wear shorts, I just tend to take some tubely grip, if it is cold in the morning, just to put on my knees, just to keep them warm a bit, and then I can take them off later. But I've always taken that, but I've never actually worn it, or never worn the tubely grip. I'll put that over there. Sudocrem to keep the bum protected. There's nothing worse than chafing on your backside and in the crease. So loads of lube and some little gloves, plastic gloves to slap it on with. Moving up the kit, I'm not taking a poncho. This is like the same material as those cheap ponchos, but it's like a jacket with poppers up the front. I wore that last year when I did my birthday adventure. I've got some thin leggings, waterproof leggings. These are Peter Storms. They're really good. They're only cheap, but they're really bloody good. I've got some plastic overshoes just in case it does get wet and there's some proper bogginess. I just chuck them in as standard anyway. I've got 3 large bin bags here. Now the reason I take those is when I go to the Coach and Horses in Llanidloes, they take the bike inside. So once I've washed the bike and I go to the B&B after I've had a pint at the pub, I can lay the bags down and put the bike on the bags, and any drippage doesn't go on their carpet. Toiletries, deodorant, hand cream, toothpaste and a toothbrush, and I've cut the toothbrush off down a bit so it fits in the bag, so I've cut about that much off the toothbrush. I've got a bag of energy biscuits and this, that and the other just to nibble on the day. Each day, tend not to eat all that, so I'll probably bring most of that back. I should eat more actually. Got some of this toffee from Home Bargains, this licorice stuff, Walker's. Bloody hell, this is nice, this toffee, this licorice toffee, and some regular toffee. These bloody lovely, Andy boy, bloody lovely. What else we got? Got my braces. I wear braces with shorts and things now because it stops the pants coming down. There's nothing worse than riding and having one in your pants coming down, having to pull it up. And there's my jacket, which I always wear. Moving up, we've got my breakdown gear. So I have got a spare belt, not that I'm going to use it. If I do need it, something drastic has gone wrong. So, but it's nice peace of mind, have a new belt. I've got the multi-tool. I've got this thing, which is like a bit of a multi-tool with pliers. It's got knives and screwdrivers and stuff, very light. Not that I'm a weight weenie. but it just extra bits and bobs. That folds down. Got a little mini adjustable, some brake pads. I've got some tyre levers, some instant patches, and a little spray bottle of water with lots of washing up liquid in it, so if I have to repair a puncture, I can get the tyre on and off easily because I'll have some lubrication. So that's lots of strap-ons and lubrication. CO2 canisters, got 4 of those and a little adapter. I've also got some of this just in case, because I still run tubes. And the tubes on the bike, which I fitted when I got the bike, they are these ones from Decathlon, which have got anti-puncture gloop in them, like a thick rubber with anti-gloop. So hopefully I won't get a puncture, but if I do, I can whack some of that in it, or I've got patches, instant patches, and that there. Cable ties, my Amazon track pump, which you know all about. I've got a spare USB-C cable. That's to charge the. That's not to charge. That's just in case the one I've got packs up. It's the one which does the high-speed data transfer, so I can use it with a power bank. Standard loo roll, always pack loo roll. Got some little extra plastic bags, nice and thin. Got some Tic Tacs, emergency cash, water tablets for the water bottles in the day, energy blocks, a spork because on day 3 I've got to find my own food because the hotel isn't cooking that night. Ibuprofen, pain relief, indigestion tablets, and a bit of a med pack. Salt, pepper, brown sauce, depending on what I choose to eat on Wednesday night. Got my train ticket back. Got a spare memory card. Lippy, never leave home without it. 2 pairs of spare glasses. And what I did forget to say is, everything for the tools is going to be packed in that thin Mountain Warehouse bum bag, which will be fastened to the back of the Rookie. It won't be fastened to me, it'll be fastened to the back of the Rookie. I've got this little bum bag which will be fastened to me, just to put my phone in and a few bits and bobs, and hopefully, well, I'll take the Hover X1, hopefully the weather will be nice, I can get some drone footage. We've got my standard GoPro chesty with the medium mod on. A couple of water bottles there. I got a forget what it's called now. Emergency bivy bag, just in case. Always pack that. And then we got the charger and the plug for it. It's a shame that Fit don't do a travel charger like the Bosch system did, which is like a fraction of the size. Okay, it took longer to charge, but it took up less room in the Rookie. But it's no drama. It is what it is. It's nice and light. So that'll go in. What else we got? Got my USB cable there. That's for my 20,000 milliamp Anchor power bank, because I run the GoPro off that. And of that, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so that's it. That's all I'm taking. They're all packed down in the Rookie. I've done loads of test packs. It's all good. If anybody's got any questions, they want to question me about my kit or why I take stuff or what I haven't taken, but that is tried and tested and proved kit, and yeah, it's all good. So like I say, stay tuned to Instagram and Strava, see how I'm getting on, and until the next random Tech Tuesday, in a bit, peeps.